homies, so today I am showing you a realistic what I eat in a day. I try to eat healthy. I am not strictly vegetarian or vegan or like any of that. I kind of just, you know, go with the flow, what I feel like eating. Today pretty much was very vegetarian. I didn't really have any meat. I don't eat meat every single day, but when I do, I love chicken and fish. That's like my go-to. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you're new here, you should totally hit that subscribe button. And if you'd like to see more of what I eat in a day, let me know in the comments below. But yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling and let's get started. Okay, so I just got done getting ready and I'm about to go meet Julia for coffee at Blue Bottle Coffee, and I'm super pumped, so let's go. So like I said, me and my friend Julia met at Blue Bottle Coffee, which is such an adorable coffee shop. If you're ever in LA, you should definitely check it out. So for breakfast, I had oatmeal with oats, of course, sugar, butter, pecans, and raisins, and it seriously tasted so good. It was pretty sweet, but it was delicious, and it was a fun little treat to have, you know, like a little fun coffee date with your friend. And then for my coffee, I just got a regular latte with almond milk. And after we were done at this coffee shop, we just kind of walked around LA and around Grand Central Market, and it was just so fun and a great way to spend my morning. But after this, of course, it's lunchtime, so today for lunch, I decided to make one of my favorite lunch/dinners. I usually will have this for like one of my meals at least once a week. It's so freaking good. But basically, I just threw in some wild rice into the microwave for about 90 seconds. And I have black beans and of course some broccoli because I freaking love broccoli. It's one of my favorite vegetables ever. So I just put all of that into a bowl, and then I usually will just like mix it up and add a little bit of seasoned salt and garlic powder, and it's such a delicious and easy lunch, and it's pretty healthy too. I love it. It fills me up and keeps me full so that I can, you know, get my work done throughout the day and not have to worry about snacking. So now it's time for a little coffee break. I don't do this every single day, but when I need a little pick-me-up, I'll just have a nice coffee with a tad bit of vanilla almond milk. So then for dinner, I wasn't that hungry because I had such a hearty breakfast, but I was hungry for a little bit of something. So today I decided to make a protein smoothie, and these are from Jamba Juice. They have like little packs you can buy at the store. I don't do this all the time, but I really think they're delicious, and I kind of was lazy when I went to the grocery store this week and didn't want to buy all the frozen fruits and all that kind of stuff and throw it together myself. Yeah, ultimate laziness. But basically you just throw whatever's in the pack with a cup of apple juice or a cup of water, and you just throw that in your blender and blend it until it's smooth and ready to drink. So I also decided to throw a little bit of shredded coconut from Trader Joe's on top, and all in all, the smoothie had strawberries, blueberries, bananas, Greek yogurt, and apple juice in it. And it's seriously so delicious. It tasted so good and was a nice little light dinner. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Also, if you haven't noticed, I switched my upload schedule days to 3 days a week instead of 2. So I am uploading on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. So get excited for a lot more content from me. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.